Now, Mr. Yi, Governor Yi, please. Dear friends from the press, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Since 2018, the PBOC conducted our work under the leadership of the guidance of the Central Party Committee with General Secretary Xi Jinping at its core, and practice prudential monetary policy, providing support for supply-side demand and high-quality development. As is known to all, in the past year, we are faced with unprecedented, severe and complex international situations. Internationally, the Federal Reserves continue to increase the interest rate, and also we are faced with trade frictions between China and the U.S. And in China, we are facing cyclical challenges and economic problems, and also tasks to strengthen supervision and standardize local debts, causing that the credit of the society is shrinking. SMEs and private enterprises are facing difficulties in financing. This is a very prominent risk for us, and we are also facing mounting downward pressure in the national economy. Faced with all of these problems, with the guidance of the Financial Commission of the State Council, the PBOC has adjusted and take proactive measures in the following aspects. First, we have decreased the RRR by 3.5% to make sure that we have adequate liquidity in the market, and also realize a reasonable increase of social credit. The second is to lead a decrease of the interest rate. In 2018, the national debt return is down by about 70%, and also the the loan rate, interest rate is also decreased. And third is that is known to all, we have a tripod method, that is in terms of loan granting and to support the bond issuing of private enterprises, and also to help private enterprises to set up shareholding tools. So we have made a lot of measures, and we are strengthening our support for private enterprises. Fourth is to consolidate and maintain a balance, and to make sure that RMB exchange rate remains stable and international current account is stable, and our foreign reserve is above 3 trillion US dollars. And fourth is to maintain a steady supply of liquidity, controlling risk while maintaining growth. So M2 is suitable with the nominal growth of GDP. By the end of 2018, the leverage ratio of the society is 249.4%. That is down by 1.5 percentage point compared to that of 2017. If you look at all of these factors that I mentioned closely, you will notice that they are sometimes intertwined with each other. So in the year 2019, we are still facing more challenges and changes, and we are having some developments in terms of China's U.S. trade talks, and also we need to stabilize our policies to stabilize the market. Of course, we are still facing a very turbulent world economy. The world economy is facing downward pressure, and domestically we are facing many financial risks. And PBOC will practice the requirement of the Central Party Central Committee and the State Council to better serve the real economy and promote high-quality development. This is my opening remarks. And in 9 o'clock this morning, we will disclose our number of February. The M2 is up by 8%, and the aggregate financing is up by 10%. In January, due to the seasonal reasons, we are facing a bit of downward pressure due to seasonal factors. In the first 2 months, our loan is up by 410 million, and financing is up by 132 million, and it is growing for 2 consecutive months, and this kind of aggregate financing is basically now has very sound growth. Now the floor is open to questions.